The small water pump represents a compact yet powerful solution for pumping water efficiently in various applications. Engineered to be space-saving and versatile, these pumps are commonly employed in aquariums, hydroponic systems, small-scale irrigation setups, and DIY projects where a reliable water circulation system is needed. Utilizing an electric motor, the small water pump propels water through its system by creating suction and pressure. Upon activation, the motor drives an impeller, which generates centrifugal force, pushing water through the pump and out through an outlet. This continuous process facilitates water circulation, aiding in maintaining optimal conditions for aquatic life or irrigation. The small water pump emerges as a versatile solution for facilitating water circulation in various environments. With its compact design, energy efficiency, and customizable features, it serves as a reliable component in aquariums, hydroponic systems, irrigation setups, and DIY projects. Whether maintaining aquatic ecosystems or nurturing plant growth, the small water pump proves invaluable in ensuring optimal water circulation in environmental conditions.